In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best laptop stands available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Soundance laptop stand. The Soundance laptop stand is an excellent choice if you frequently experience neck and shoulder ache. Your computer screen is elevated by 6 inches thanks to its ergonomic design, which looks out for your comfort so you can concentrate on work. The Soundance stand is composed of a rust-resistant aluminum alloy, which ensures that it will last you for a very long period while yet having a modern design. You'll appreciate that it works with all laptops with screens between 10 and 15.6 inches in size. To guarantee that your laptop stays in position, this fantastic laptop elevator also has a rubber guard underneath. Additionally, this does a lot to safeguard your countertop or desk from harm. The Soundance stand also has a place underneath for cable management, making it simple to keep your cables neatly out of the way and maintain a clutter-free workspace. At number 4 is the Stelko MacBook Pro stand. The Stelko MacBook X stand is the most portable, adjustable laptop stand you will ever come across. This top laptop is built of lightweight aluminum, which adds to its lightweight nature while also making it rust-proof. The Stelko computer riser is compact and folds up even more compactly, allowing you to carry it wherever you go and should fit in almost any laptop bag. As the name suggests, this stand is most suited for use with Apple MacBooks, but it also functions admirably with other laptop models. Any laptop between 12 and 17 inches will fit easily. This handy gadget can help you if your laptop frequently overheats when it's on your lap or desk because it's made to reduce overheating and increase ventilation to keep your laptop cool. The best part is that it is adjustable to make sure your eyes are level with your screen. Top 3 at our list is the MOFT laptop stand. The MOFT laptop stand wins the prize for having a slick and appealing design. This stand is available in several hues, including starry gray, our fave, black, and blue, so it will almost certainly go with any decor. This raised laptop stand has an extremely thin construction that is only 1/9 inches thick. This stand is small and sleek, and it adheres to the bottom of your laptop so that it appears to be free of any hardware when it is closed. However, while it's open, you can easily lift your PC using the stand that's there. Due to the PU and fiberglass used in its construction, this model is exceptionally robust yet being lightweight. With 2 height settings of 2 and 3 inches, this cost-effective laptop stand has a revolutionary ergonomic design. The drawback is that it only supports laptops up to 15.6 inches and is not appropriate for larger computers from any brands. Moving up at number 2 is the Roost V3 laptop stand. The Roost laptop stand takes pride in being one of the world's smallest and most transportable laptop stands. If you're interested in buying locally created goods, this is the one to consider because it is proudly made here in the United States of America. The sturdy design of this stand allows it to support laptops weighing up to 9 pounds. Additionally, it has a versatile and adaptable design that makes it appropriate for different sorts of laptops, including Apple MacBooks. When it comes to using your computer while on the go, a flat desk is not ideal because doing so for prolonged periods of time can cause back, neck, and shoulder pain. Even if you are taller than average, you may rejoice since this model can be adjusted from 6 to 11 inches in height, allowing you to choose the setting that will place you in the most comfortable posture to complete your work. The fact that this stand is both lightweight and foldable is without a doubt one of its best features. And at number 1 is the Avantree adjustable laptop stand. With the Avantree adjustable laptop table, working from the comfort of your bed is now an option in addition to working from home. Simply lay this adaptable lap desk on any flat surface, and you're ready to go. This useful laptop accessory, which is one of the most well-reviewed ergonomic workstations on the market, performs a pretty decent job of securely cradling a laptop at the user's preferred laptop height and angle. With adjustable tilt and height settings, you may work while standing, sitting, or even lounging about while avoiding muscle cramps. When you're finished working, turn the table into a dinner tray or set a book on it for some leisurely reading. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.